This video is about one specific component, the safety brake. It is, in our view, one of the most critical parts of any powered roller shutter, and it is one of the most frequently overlooked. Let us start with the risk. A powered roller shutter is a heavy, high-force machine. Many electrically operated shutters generate enough force to lift an adult completely off the ground. Children are particularly vulnerable. If a child grabs onto an open lattice shutter or holds onto the bottom rail, they can be carried upward into the roller mechanism. The injuries that follow can be life-threatening. Then there is the risk of descent. If a person is standing or walking beneath a shutter as it closes, the descending curtain can crush them. If someone is leaning against a shutter when it activates unexpectedly, clothing or a bag can catch on the moving lath, with catastrophic results. These are not theoretical risks. They are the reason the Health and Safety Executive and the UK's work equipment regulations place legal obligations on every business that installs or operates a powered shutter. Proper installation, proper maintenance, proper safety devices, not optional, legal requirements. Now let us talk about what happens when a motor brake fails. During normal operation, a roller shutter is held in position by its motor's operational brake. But brakes wear, components fail. Power can be lost without warning. If that brake gives way, the full weight of a steel or aluminium curtain can begin to drop under gravity, uncontrolled, fast. This is what a safety brake is designed to prevent. A safety brake is a centrifugal braking device fitted to the shutter mechanism. The moment it detects the curtain descending at abnormal speed, it engages, gripping the shaft and arresting the fall before it becomes a free fall. Many modern safety brakes also include a micro switch that electrically isolates the motor the instant the brake activates, preventing any further operation until a qualified engineer has inspected the system. On most commercial and industrial roller shutters in the UK, a safety brake is not optional. It is a legal requirement. Once a safety brake has triggered, the shutter must not be used again until it has been professionally reset or replaced. This is a specialist task. Attempting it without the right training can compromise the safety of the entire system and will void your warranty. If you are not certain whether your shutters have a compliant safety brake fitted, find out today. Call us on 0139 227 0218 or go to hvpshutters.co.uk. We can arrange an inspection, confirm compliance, and carry out any remedial work needed to keep your shutter safe and legal. Because a roller shutter is only worth having if it is safe for everyone around it.